What's up YouTube, it's your boy Carvencer Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be doing some pulls in the G37, man. I'm going to show you guys the difference between sport mode and also manual mode and the regular mode. So let's go ahead and start the car right now. Ooh, y'all hear that? Let me go ahead and give y'all a rev real quick, just a little bit. Whoo, don't want to get copyrighted, but let's go ahead and this is dry, man. This is dry. Ooh, one thing about, man, this G37, man, is really quick. I love the all-wheel drive version because it's so quick. Like, you can feel all four of the wheels just spinning. Let's do one. I'm telling you, the G37, man, this thing is quick, bruh. This thing is quick. I love it. You know, for a V6 and how much this car is on the market, man, I feel like it's a bang for your buck if you're looking for one, especially to have fun in and also be a daily. I definitely say a G37 will do you justice. Let's go. I just put it in sport mode right now. Just make sure we clear. And one thing about when you're driving in sport mode, the transmission goes like, I think it's something like a power band or something. So it feels more sporty. Like the transmission feels a little bit more sporty. And I don't know, but it seemed like the exhaust get a little louder too. I don't know, I could be tripping. And then you also have these like little revs. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Let's see. Let's see if it does it. Nah, I didn't do it. But it'll like when it revs down, it'll be like vroom, vroom. Sounds so good. Sounds so good. Let's see if it do it right now. Dang, it do it. I think it gotta warm up or something. But yeah, man. Oh, look at that CA right there. That thing look fire, boy. God dang, that thing look fire. Woo. Ooh, that thing is nice. I want one of those. I ain't gonna lie, I want one of those. Yeah, this thing is cool. And then if you want to just throw it in manual mode, you just click it down. Now watch this. I'm telling y'all, man, this thing is, oh my gosh, it's so fun driving this car. I'm not even gonna lie, it's so fun. I really do enjoy every time I drive this car because, you know, with the sport mode plus the manual mode, only got the manual mode in the G35, but it's not like how this one is, you know what I'm saying? It's not like this manual mode. This is different. So I really do enjoy this car a whole lot every time I drive it. But man, this car is crazy, bro. Like, is it because it's cold and this thing want to be a little bit faster? I swear, bro, like this thing is, it don't really be doing this, bro. Like, it's not, oh my god, this thing is quick. This thing is really quick, bro. I love this car. Let's put it back in sport mode. And all you do to put it back in sport mode is that you just click it over to drive, and then you just click it back over to the left, and it'll put you back in sport mode. But yeah, let's go ahead and get a couple of pulls on the freeway, hopefully, so I can get a good thumbnail. But yeah, honestly though, if you're watching this video and you don't have a G37 yet and you're deciding, you're like, man, I really do like the G37, but I gotta watch a couple of more videos, and you happen to click on this video, I'm telling you, bro, go get you one. Go get you one, bro. Like, despite what you hear, bro, they're actually really good cars. It's a good daily, and you can have fun with them. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people like to go to the takeovers in them, and if that's what you want to do, then go ahead and do it. If you like to just, you know, do pulls or speed like me occasionally, you know, then, you know, then do that. But this video is also filmed in Mexico, by the way. So yeah, we're in Mexico. And yeah, just a quick little disclaimer out there. But yeah, man, I really do enjoy this car. I really do enjoy this car, and I really don't see myself getting rid of it at all. But I can't wait to get on this freeway and kind of tear this freeway up a little bit, do some more pulls for y'all. But I actually had so much planned for this car, y'all. Like, I wanted to boost this car, but at the mileage that it's at right now, to me, it really don't make sense for me to boost this car or whatever. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do cosmetic mods only and add a little, just do the exhaust, just put like a real exhaust on it down the line. I hear that intake? Yeah. We in there like swimwear, bud. There you go. Man, this car is so fun to drive, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I had to get a little silent right there, man. I had to get a little silent. Y'all hear that? Oh man, that exhaust, everything, man. I really do love this car, man. I really do. This car definitely is faster than the G35 for sure. It is. But the G35 give me a different thrill, and so did this car. This car also give me a different thrill. But I don't know if I spoke on it, but I'm actually gonna put this motor in a 35, not this motor that's in this car already. I want to buy another VQ37 VHR and put it in the G35, and then I want to do like the 37 conversion on it too. I feel like that'd be dope. Let me know in the comments, should I do that for the 35? Turn up the 35 a little bit, man, because I ain't gonna lie, I really do love this engine. I really do love this engine. And I heard a lot about the DEs and how, you know, they're horrible to boost and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna stay away from, you know, boosting the DE and stuff like that. But the G35 was supposed to be, so the whole idea of the both Infinitis is, I'm gonna just let y'all know this right now. The G37 was just supposed to be the cosmetic build, like, you know, I do the wrap, or if I get it painted, you know, the rims, the exhaust, you know, just everything. It is supposed to look good. Like, it's supposed to just look its absolutely best and sound good. That's it. The 35 is supposed to be the race car. Now, I did thought about turning this into the 4-door GTR. I want to get the GTR engine and put it here and turn this into like the 4-door GTR. But I ain't got no money to do all that. And you know, if y'all want that happen, and y'all have the support for that build to go on. But that's what I wanted to do. But as of right now, that ain't gonna happen no time soon. But what can happen pretty soon is I get that VHR engine and swap it in at 35, and that's what I think I'm gonna do. And that's gonna be the ending of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoy. Y'all heard that? That's what I was talking about. It does stuff like that. So dope. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel right now, I do extremely lit things like this. I'm doing more stuff. And if you haven't, turn on that post notification so you know every time I post. And I catch y'all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.